Breaking news out of New Kent, where the former medical director of a children's hospital facing felony sex charges has been found not guilty on all counts. Good evening, I'm Bill Fitzgerald. Our Laura French has been investigating this case for nearly 5 years. She's been in court all week. She joins us now live with details on what happened today. Laura?
That's right, Bill. That verdict was guilty on all 4 charges in that courthouse that you see behind me, and it drew a lot of tears, but it also drew applause for Dr. Davidow as he exited the building an innocent man. This after an intense day that started with the former Cumberland medical director taking the stand when he acknowledged making patients feel uncomfortable at times, but denied all sex allegations against him. Davidow's testimony also included a demonstration of how he performed a femoral pulse exam on a dummy. In closing arguments, the Commonwealth suggested Davidow did these exams as a way of getting into patients' pants. But the defense came back swinging, pointing out the many inconsistencies in the accuser's allegations against Davidow. The prosecution acknowledged some explaining that this was 7 years ago. Ultimately, the judge said that's what it came down to, those inconsistencies, along with the fact that 2 chaperones testified that they witnessed the exams and nothing inappropriate happened, despite one accuser saying that a caseworker wasn't in there. CBS 6 just spoke with both sides after leaving the courthouse.
Pleased with the verdict. It was based on the evidence and the correct verdict.
Well, obviously, I was really disappointed in the verdict. I give these victims a lot of credit. They came in here and they stood up, and that's not easy to do when you went through everything that they went through. I think it's the Commonwealth's responsibility to give them the opportunity to have their voices heard. I'm glad that we could at least do that.
We knew, our clients knew, that they were coming forward against a system, against an institution, and that institution is a multi-billion-dollar institution, and yet they still had the courage to step in that witness stand and tell their truth, and we are incredibly proud of them for doing that.
Now, these 2 victims are 2 of 46 plaintiffs that are part of that $397 million civil suit against Davidow, the hospital, and its owner, UHS. Now, that civil trial, there's going to be several of them, but the first one is supposed to get underway in September. Now, meanwhile, we also heard from a New Kent Department of Social Services supervisor. She testified that in January of 2019 through July of 2021, there had been 82 reports of suspected child abuse and neglect from the hospital. Now, those reports, they were founded, some of them unfounded and still pending. She also testified that from those reports, they really dwindled in 2020 when there was a change in leadership. In New Kent County, Laura French, CBS 6 News.